Unlocking your dreams, journaling with the 369 manifestation technique. The 369 manifestation journal is a transformative tool rooted in numerology and the law of attraction. It taps into the mystique of numbers 3, 6, and 9, believed to be keys to unlocking the universe's energy and aiding in personal manifestation goals. Its purpose is to guide individuals in focusing their intentions and desires, harnessing the power of thought and frequency to bring their dreams into reality. Blending science with spirituality, the 369 method connects deeply with the law of attraction. It posits that like attracts like. By channeling thoughts and energies through specific numerical sequences, practitioners can align themselves more closely with their aspirations. This method encourages a disciplined yet optimistic approach to manifestation, combining ancient wisdom with modern understanding. The numbers 3, 6, and 9 hold profound significance in manifestation practices. Tesla famously highlighted the importance of these numbers, suggesting they hold the key to the universe. In the context of manifestation, 3 represents energy and growth, 6 symbolizes inner strength and focus, and 9 embodies completion and enlightenment. Together, they create a powerful framework for attracting desired outcomes. Setting up a 369 manifestation journal for the first time involves intention and reflection. Start by choosing a journal that resonates with you, setting a clear goal or desire to focus on. Many can be found online or visit our website spiritualsync.com for a free download. More in the description. Write your intention following the structured pattern of the 369 method. 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night, each for 45 days. This repetition reinforces your desires, embedding them deeply into your consciousness. Daily rituals are crucial for maximizing the impact of your 369 journal. Begin each day by writing your intention 3 times, focusing deeply on the feelings and visualizations of your desires manifesting. Throughout the day, revisit your intentions, writing them 6 times in the afternoon to maintain focus and energy. Conclude with 9 repetitions at night, reflecting on gratitude and the steps taken towards your goals, cementing your commitment and belief in the process. The 369 method harnesses the power of writing to manifest desires into reality. By committing thoughts to paper, this technique amplifies intention, turning abstract desires into tangible goals. It's the act of repeatedly focusing and refining one's aspirations that embeds them deeply into the subconscious, setting the stage for real-world manifestations. Incorporating the 369 manifestation journal into your morning routine can be a game changer. It allows you to start your day with clear intentions, setting a positive tone and focus. This practice not only energizes your day ahead, but also aligns your actions with your goals, making manifestation a part of your daily life. Evening reflections in your 369 journal play a crucial role in your manifestation journey. This nightly ritual helps in acknowledging progress, learning from the day's experiences, and reaffirming your desires. It's a moment to appreciate the journey and prepare mentally for the next day, ensuring your manifestations are always moving forward. Staying motivated with the 369 manifestation practice can sometimes be challenging. However, overcoming these hurdles is possible by setting realistic goals, celebrating small wins, and constantly reminding yourself of the powerful transformations that await. Persistence and belief in the process are key to unlocking the full potential of the 369 method. Personal stories of transformation from 369 journal practitioners serve as powerful testimonials to its effectiveness. These narratives not only inspire, but also illustrate the diverse possibilities of manifestation. They highlight how individuals from various backgrounds have used the 369 method to achieve their dreams, providing real-world evidence of its transformative power. Integrating visualization and emotion into your 369 entries amplifies the manifestation process. By vividly imagining your desires and infusing them with genuine feelings, you create a powerful vibrational match to your intentions. Gratitude plays a pivotal role in the 369 method, acting as a magnet for abundance. Documenting daily gratefulness in your journal shifts your focus to abundance, thereby attracting more to be thankful for. Avoiding common mistakes is crucial for the effectiveness of the 369 practice. One frequent error is inconsistency. Commitment to daily journaling strengthens your manifestation power, making your intentions more likely to materialize. Advanced practitioners often combine the 369 method with other manifestation techniques, such as affirmations or visualization boards. This synergy can enhance the potency of your manifestations, drawing your desires closer with greater speed. Aligning your 369 journaling with the moon cycles taps into the natural energies of the universe. New moons are perfect for setting intentions, while full moons are ideal for releasing and reflecting, adding an extra layer of power to your practice. Creating a conducive environment for your 369 journaling can significantly enhance your manifestation practice. Designate a peaceful, clutter-free area where you can focus and connect deeply with your intentions. This sacred space should be personalized to reflect your aspirations and imbue a sense of tranquility, making each journaling session a rejuvenating ritual. Handling skepticism is part of the journey in any manifestation practice. Stay committed to your 369 routine by focusing on your personal growth and the positive changes you're experiencing. Remember, your belief system is the foundation of your manifestation power. Surround yourself with supportive energies and keep an open heart and mind to the possibilities your practice brings. The future of manifestation, particularly the 369 journaling method, appears promising as more individuals seek tangible practices for achieving their dreams. As understanding deepens and methodologies evolve, we can expect to see a blend of traditional wisdom with modern science, making the practice even more accessible and impactful for a wider audience. For those looking to deepen their knowledge and practice of the 369 method, a wealth of resources is available. Books, online courses, and communities offer insights and support. Engaging with these resources can provide inspiration, clarify doubts, and connect you with like-minded individuals, enriching your manifestation journey. The transformative potential of a 369 manifestation journal is immense. By creating a sacred space, staying resilient against skepticism, and continuously seeking knowledge, you can harness this powerful tool to create the life you've always dreamed of. Remember, the key lies in consistency, belief, and the willingness to explore the depths of your own potential.